Good morning. What do you usually eat for breakfast?
Good morning. I usually eat eggs and toast.
That sounds tasty. Do you drink coffee too?
Yes, I drink a little coffee every morning.
How about juice?
I like orange juice sometimes. It's fresh and sweet.
Nice. I usually eat cereal with milk. Hi. What's your favorite fruit?
I love bananas. They are sweet and soft.
Oh, I like bananas too. I eat them every day.
Really? I usually eat them for breakfast.
Me too. Sometimes I put bananas in my cereal.
That's a good idea. I will try that tomorrow.
Do you like fast food?
Sometimes I like burgers and fries.
What about pizza?
Yes, I like pizza too, but not often.
Why not often?
Because I want to eat healthy food most of the time.
That's smart. I eat fast food only on weekends. Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook rice and chicken.
That's great. I can make soup.
Really? What kind of soup?
I make tomato soup. It's simple and tasty.
Wow, let's cook together someday.
Yes, we can make dinner together this weekend. Do you like sweet or salty food?
I like sweet food.
Me too. I love chocolate.
Yes, chocolate is my favorite.
Do you eat candy too?
Sometimes, but not every day.
Good. I try to eat sweets only on special days. Do you often eat at restaurants?
Yes, I go to restaurants on weekends.
What do you usually eat there?
I usually eat pasta or pizza.
That sounds delicious.
Yes, sometimes I try new dishes too.
I like trying new food in restaurants. Do you drink coffee?
Yes, every morning.
How do you like it?
I like it with milk and a little sugar.
I like my coffee black.
Really? It's too strong for me.
Yes, it is strong, but I enjoy it. What do you eat for lunch?
I usually eat a sandwich and salad.
That's healthy.
Yes, I like healthy food.
Sometimes I eat pasta for lunch.
Pasta is good too. I like it with tomato sauce.
Me too.
What ice cream flavor do you like?
I like chocolate and vanilla.
I like strawberry. It's very sweet.
Oh, yes, strawberry is delicious too.
Do you like ice cream in summer?
Yes, I eat it almost every day in summer.
Me too. Ice cream makes hot days better.
Do you like trying new food?
Yes, I like to try new dishes.
Me too. I tried sushi yesterday.
Really? Was it good?
Yes, it was very tasty.
I want to try sushi too.
You should. It's healthy and delicious.
Can you eat spicy food?
Nah, it's too hot for me.
Really? I love spicy food.
Wow, I can't eat it. My mouth feels very hot.
You can try a little bit first.
Maybe. I like mild food more.
That's okay. Everyone has different tastes.
What vegetable do you like?
I like carrots and tomatoes.
I like broccoli. It's very healthy.
Yes, vegetables are good for your body.
Do you cook vegetables at home?
Yes, I cook them with rice or chicken.
That sounds healthy and tasty.
Do you drink fruit juice?
Yes, I like orange juice.
I like apple juice in the morning.
Me too. Fruit juice is healthy.
Do you drink juice every day?
Yes, I drink it in the morning or with lunch.
I like juice with breakfast. It tastes fresh. Do you like eating with friends?
Yes, it's fun to eat together.
I love picnics and sandwiches.
Me too. Sometimes I bring fruits and snacks.
That's great. We can share food together.
Yes, eating together is more fun than eating alone.
What pizza toppings do you like?
I like cheese and mushrooms.
I like pepperoni and olives.
Yum, pepperoni is delicious too.
Do you like pineapple on pizza?
Sometimes. I like cheese more.
Me too. Cheese makes pizza very tasty. Do you eat healthy food?
Yes, I eat fruits and vegetables every day.
That's great. I also eat salad for lunch.
Me too. Salad is healthy and fresh.
Do you drink water every day?
Yes, I drink at least 6 glasses.
That's very good. Water is important for health. What do you eat for a snack?
I eat cookies or nuts.
I like chocolate bars.
Chocolate is tasty, but not every day.
Yes, I try to eat healthy snacks sometimes.
That's smart. Fruits are good for snacks too.
I like apples and bananas as snacks.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer tea in the morning.
I like coffee in the morning too.
Tea is relaxing, but coffee is strong.
Yes, coffee wakes me up quickly.
I drink coffee sometimes in the afternoon.
Me too. Coffee is nice with a snack. What's your favorite restaurant?
I like Italian restaurants.
I love Italian food too.
Yes, pasta and pizza are my favorites.
Do you go there often?
Yes, I go with my family on weekends.
That's nice. I like eating out with friends too. Can we cook together?
Yes, let's make pasta.
I will cook the sauce.
And I will boil the pasta.
Should we add vegetables?
Yes, tomatoes and carrots are good.
Perfect. Dinner will be delicious.
I'm excited. Cooking together is fun.